So in this problem, you are requested to find angle BAC. This angle is requested. So from this picture, just this is this symbol represents the side BD, right, is equal to side AD, right, and this side AD and BD are just also equal to DC, this one, or CD. So that means this triangle is just isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, that means two sides are equal. This is isosceles, this side and this side are equal, and opposite angles to these sides are also equal. The opposite angle to this side is this one, right? This angle, and the opposite angle to this side is this one. So this angle, if it is alpha, and this one is also alpha. Based on that, we can say this angle, right, opposite to this angle, this one, it is alpha, this one also the same alpha, right? And at the same time, if we are considering this one, opposite to this and this sides are equal, so opposite to this side, this angle, right, let us call it beta, and opposite to this side, this angle also beta. Let us take this triangle, the larger triangle, this angle, and this angle. So alpha, right, alpha plus beta plus beta is equal to 180 degrees, right? Because this one plus this one plus this one must give us 180 degrees, because the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So that means this one and this one to alpha plus this one and this one plus 2 beta is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degrees. Alpha plus beta is 180 degrees over 2, which is 90 degrees. So the question is just alpha plus beta is equal to, right, angle BAC. This angle is just alpha plus beta. Because of that, alpha plus beta is 90 degrees. So the answer is 90 degrees.